One of my TikTok follower had requested if I can do a tips and tricks on how to create a bell curve in Excel for performance evaluation. And I thought, what a great idea. Well, this is how you do it. The first thing you have to do is basically sort your test result from smallest to largest. You're going to put your cursor on your dataset, press Ctrl Shift L, which is going to enable the filter functions. And then you're going to do a pull down on test result, and you're going to select sort smallest to largest like this. And then you can see that the numbers are being sorted accordingly. So now you can disable the filter if you like, or you can leave it as this. But if you want to disable the filter, press Ctrl Shift L again, and the filter will be gone. Next, you're going to calculate the mean. You're going to say equal, and basically use the average function on your Excel here. Then on the first and the only argument on the average function will be the test result like this. Once that's done, close parenthesis, hit enter. Most likely you'll get a decimal place in there. If you do, let's make it a whole number, home number, and basically decrease the decimal place to a whole number like this. Next, we're going to calculate the standard deviation. Place your cursor on this cell here. Going to say equal STD and then Dev.P. I'm going to select Dev.P because my test result is complete. There's no any more additional results. If you are working with sample, you're going to select .S. Okay, you're going to select that, and the only argument in there again will be the test result like this. Close parenthesis and hit enter, and most likely this will be in decimal places as well. Let's make this a whole number, home number, and then after that reduce the decimal place to none, and then it'll be a whole number like this. Next, you're going to ready to calculate the normal distribution here. You're going to say equal, basically say NORM.DIST like this. The first argument on normal distribution calculation is x, which is your test results, comma, and then the second argument is mean, which you can't see it, it's actually D2 here. I'm going to select like this, and we're going to make D2 fixed by pressing F4 like this. You should see $ on both column and row, and then after that you're going to press comma, and the third argument on normal distribution is standard deviation, which is this cell here, E2. Again, you're going to press F4 to make it a fixed column and row, and then comma, and then the fourth and the final argument on normal distribution function will select false for probability mass function like this, and you're going to do close parenthesis and hit enter. Now you can apply the same formula to the rest of the row by double clicking on this field handler here like that, and then it should look something like this. Let's go all the way up to the top here. Now you're ready to draw your bell curve. You're going to select your test result and normal distribution, and you're going to go all the way down to the very last row like this. After that, you're going to go to insert, and after that under chart, and then scatter, and then you're going to select scatter with smooth lines like this, and you can see that your normal distribution chart is already taking shape. From here on, you can just customize your title header and all the other colors that you want to change.